Insta360 X4 review. Welcome to the world of panoramic brilliance with the Insta360 X4, a game changer in 360-degree video and photography. If you're looking to elevate your capturing capabilities, whether it's for vlogs, action shots, or simply breathtaking landscapes, the X4 might just be your new best friend. Insta360 has been at the forefront of innovative imaging technology, and with the launch of the X4, they've taken another giant leap. So, buckle up as we embark on a detailed journey to discover what makes the Insta360 X4 a must-have in your tech arsenal. Design and build quality. The Insta360 X4 isn't just about its internals. Its design is something that will catch your eye from the get-go. Sporting a compact and robust build, the camera is designed to be as user-friendly as it is durable. The body of the X4 is encased in a tough yet lightweight material, making it an ideal companion for adventure enthusiasts. It can withstand dust, splashes, and even a few knocks, ensuring that your adventures are captured without any worries about the wear and tear on your gear. The ergonomic design fits comfortably in your hand, and with its intuitive button layout, operating the camera becomes second nature quickly. The importance of build quality in a 360-degree camera cannot be overstated, especially when considering the varied environments it might be used in. The X4 excels here with its IPX8 waterproof rating, allowing you to dive deep into your underwater adventures, up to 10 meters without a case. Video and image quality. When it comes to the quality of the video and images, the Insta360 X4 stands out with its impressive capabilities. The camera offers a 5.7K resolution, which makes your 360-degree videos look incredibly sharp and detailed. Every frame is rich with color and depth, providing a truly immersive viewing experience. The detail retention is phenomenal, even in varied lighting conditions, thanks to its advanced HDR mode. Whether you're capturing the bright, vibrant hues of a bustling cityscape at noon or the subtle, soft tones of a sunset, the X4 handles these scenarios with ease, ensuring that your footage is not just seen, but felt. Moreover, the X4 doesn't just stop at producing fantastic video, it's equally proficient in capturing stunning still images. With a 72mm sensor, the camera brings out an exceptional level of detail in photographs, making each shot worthy of a gallery. Stabilization technology. One of the standout features of the Insta360 X4 is its stabilization technology, dubbed flow state. This built-in stabilization ensures that your videos remain smooth and steady no matter the action. Whether you're biking down a rugged path, skiing down a slope, or simply walking through a crowd, flow state keeps the shakes at bay, giving your footage a cinematic quality that's hard to achieve with other cameras. This technology uses complex algorithms to predict your movements and corrects them in real time, ensuring that the end result is free from unwanted jitters or abrupt camera movements. The practicality of this feature can't be emphasized enough. In the world of 360-degree video, where every angle matters and every shake can be magnified, having effective stabilization isn't just nice, it's necessary. Flow state allows creators to focus more on the experience and less on holding the camera perfectly steady. This freedom not only enhances the quality of the videos, but also enriches the experience of capturing them. Connectivity and software features. The Insta360 X4 shines not only in its hardware, but also in its connectivity and software capabilities. The camera is equipped with both Bluetooth and Wi-Fi, allowing for quick and easy pairing with your smartphone or tablet. This connectivity is not just for transferring files, it extends to controlling the camera remotely, which is incredibly handy for capturing shots in tricky or unreachable places. Additionally, the Insta360 app acts as a powerful extension of the camera, offering a slew of editing tools and options that make post-processing a breeze. Within the app, users can find features like AI editing, which can automatically select and assemble clips into a compelling video, adding music and transitions without manual intervention. This is particularly great for users who may not have extensive video editing skills or those who want to produce content quickly. The app also allows for real-time previewing of 360-degree footage, which is essential for making on-the-fly adjustments to capture angles or settings. Battery life and storage. Lastly, let's talk about two crucial aspects that can make or break a camera's practicality in real-world use: battery life and storage. The Insta360 X4 comes equipped with a battery that supports up to 80 minutes of continuous recording, which is a significant improvement over its predecessors. This extended battery life means you can spend more time capturing and less time worrying about your next charge. For those long shooting days, the battery is also removable, so carrying a spare is an option for uninterrupted filming. In terms of storage, the X4 supports expandable storage via microSD cards, allowing you to store hours of high-resolution footage without concern. The flexibility of removable storage is essential for professionals who may need to swap out cards quickly during shoots, or for anyone who wants to manage their files easily between multiple devices. Practical use cases and user experience. Delving deeper into what makes the Insta360 X4 not just technically impressive, but also incredibly practical, let's explore various real-world applications and user experiences. The X4 is adept at capturing every type of scene, from action-packed sports to serene landscapes. For adventure sports enthusiasts, the camera's rugged design and superior stabilization mean that whether you're mountain biking through rough terrain, skydiving, or surfing, every moment is captured with smooth, vivid detail. Additionally, the X4's appeal extends beyond the extreme to more mundane, everyday activities that benefit from a 360-degree perspective. For instance, real estate agents and interior designers can use the camera to create virtual tours of properties and spaces. The high-resolution output makes these virtual tours feel incredibly real and detailed, giving potential buyers or clients a better sense of the space than traditional photos or videos could offer. Editing and sharing capabilities. What elevates the Insta360 X4 further is its seamless editing and sharing capabilities, crucial for both professional content creators and casual users alike. The aforementioned Insta360 app not only helps in shooting the videos, but also transforms the post-production process into a user-friendly, enjoyable experience. With features like autoframe, the app can automatically pick out the most interesting parts of your 360-degree video, cropping and framing these moments into a traditional flat video that's ready to share. The sharing aspect is equally streamlined. Once you've edited your footage, sharing it directly from the app to social media platforms like Instagram, Facebook, and YouTube is straightforward. The app handles all the format adjustments necessary for different platforms, which means less hassle for the user and more time spent capturing or creating the next piece of content. Customer support and community. Insta360 doesn't just stop at offering a great product. They back it up with robust customer support and an active community. New users of the X4 will find a wealth of resources from Insta360, including detailed online tutorials, a responsive customer service team, and an active user forum where tips, tricks, and experiences are shared. The company's commitment to continuous improvement through firmware updates is another point worth noting. These updates not only address any bugs or issues, but frequently add new features and enhancements, thus prolonging the life of the camera and improving its performance over time. This proactive approach ensures that users continue to enjoy a high-quality experience and see real value in their investment long after the initial purchase. So, guys, let me know your thoughts in the comments section below. For more interesting content, give this video a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe to the channel. For more awesome content, have a nice day and I will see you in the next video.